I'm just sharing you guys my baking and cooking partners has arrived that I bought from Amazon. I'm an avid fan of Amazon and I am a Prime member. So even Sundays they deliver it to me right in front of our house. So let's open it. Whoops, whoops, oh my god! I'm so excited! I've been waiting for this, my hand mixer. I also got the big one, but I want this one just easy to carry, easy to handle. So na-apply. Hear that? Para din siyang, so it's safety for them to deliver. Calling Amazon.com or online shopping Amazon, kinahanglan ako kung ano niya share sa inyo kang profit. Kay I'm always shopping you in your website, guys. So let's check it out. Let's open it up. My favorite color, red. The new hand mixer, flex ko lang. It's from Amazon. I've been waiting this for 2 to 3 weeks. There you go, my baking and cooking partners. A new red hand mixer. Say hello. And my measuring cups and spoons. Spoons, very colorful. Piping tip. Oh, piping tip, yan. Oh, we've got siya with piping bags. And let's check what's inside the box. Oh, I just open this first. Take it out from the box, just making sure that the color is red. Okay, oh, so cute, it's so handy. So handy. It's red, I love it. And let's open another box. This is also for my cooking and baking. These are measuring cups. I got already measuring cups, but I wanted the glass one. So there you go. And I got the biggest Pyrex brand. 1, 2, that's 2 cups. And this one is 4 cups. So I got bigger container already. And last one is the 1 cup. So it's 1 set. Yes. Alright, there you go. You see my new collection of my baking and cooking partners. These are Russian piping tips, 4 pieces. There's this one. And piping bag. And the most exciting, I'm so excited to bake my cake with of course cream on top, is this hand mixer, red hand mixer. Obviously red is my favorite color, so yeah, there you go. I'm so happy. Thank you. So this one, my hand mixer, with a free manual book, instruction manual, and a recipe guide. So cute, all red. And this one is a warranty card. Yay! I love it. I love it. I'm just so happy that I got my order line. It came just so quick. So there you go. I'm so happy to share it with you guys, and I'm so excited to share my recipes in the future. I'm not teasing, right? I have a day off. Alright, so see ya.